Happy Friday, everybody. It's a steamy Friday. It's going to be a steamy Saturday. But after that, forecasters say we're going to have a little bit more moderated temperatures, like in the low 80s. Humidity is supposed to drop. Hopefully we'll get some rain. All will be right with the world of gardeners. But in the meantime, I know you don't want to expend a lot of energy out there. But there are some things that you can do since it is getting close to fall. We're just like a little over 3 weeks away from the autumn equinox. So the garden center is now starting to fill up with all things fall. We don't have pumpkins yet, but we've got some fall decor, and we have lots of fall annuals. Lots of mums in all different colors, these snazzy ornamental peppers. We've got some asters and some ornamental kale, and today, just now, we got in these adorable little violas in a bunch of different colors. And what's really nice about these, you put these in the ground and they'll bloom for you this winter, and if you're super lucky, they'll come back in the spring, flower for you next spring, and then they'll probably kind of go dormant and sort of die off when the heat of next summer comes. That's what's kind of fun about pansies and violas. So hop into the garden center, and if you've got a planter that's maybe, you had some begonias or something in there that didn't quite hold up to the heat, we've got you covered. We can get all those little holes and bare spots and sort of mingy plants replaced. Also, since it's fall, we are starting to get our bulbs in. Now, we just have a smattering in so far. We've got some autumn crocus called colchicum, 2 varieties of that. We have garlic for fall planting, and we also have started to get in some iris rhizomes. Iris rhizomes are super cool. This is a storage thing, and then you have the plant, and then you have roots. When you plant these, you want to plant them so that the top of the rhizome is exposed. If you have it too deep, they won't flower. Now, a lot of people call iris rhizomes, they call them bulbs. And a bulb is just it's a general term for a storage unit for nutrients and moisture. There are rhizomes, there are corms, there are tubers, and there are bulbs. A true bulb would be something like an onion, or like garlic, or a tulip, where if you slice it in half, you can see the little nascent plant in there. And that is what is a true bulb. But we don't care. Everybody calls them all bulbs, no matter what their sort of botanic identity is. We know what you're talking about. When you start planting these, you can certainly plant iris rhizomes now. Put in a little bit of bulb tone, some bulb fertilizer. That'll get them off to a really good start. Also this weekend, since it's starting to be fall, things are starting to go on sale in the garden center. So we have bald and burlap plants, and all of our evergreens are 30% off. Also, you can save 20% off on heuchera or coral bells and daylilies, and both really great workhorse plants, one for the sunny part of your yard, one for the shady part of your yard. And we do have, for a little special thing on Saturday, we are having a back-to-school brat fry. We had one of these about a month or so ago. It was super successful. Stop in, you can grab a brat or a hot dog, a soda, and some chips, and all of the proceeds go to a local charity called Asher's Gift Box. Asher's Gift Box was started by a woman in Middleton. She used to work at the Bruce Company, and this is a program for families whose children are diagnosed with some kind of hearing disability. And so they put together gift boxes for the family to sort of help them get through that initial diagnosis, and also to offer support and that kind of thing for families that are facing this kind of challenge. So stop in 11 to 2, grab yourself a brat and a mum or a viola, maybe a shade tree, and we will see you then. Happy, still summer, but heading into fall from all of us here at the Bruce Company.